Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can configure time off for your organization. This is the Kroolo dashboard. First, click on your profile, go to Settings. Then on the left, scroll down, and at the bottom, click on App Features. Scroll down again and enable Leave Management from here. Once you enable it, you'll see the time off option in the Features section. Just click on that. This is where you can set up time off for your organization. You'll see a list of all the holidays with dates, duration, type, and status. You can edit or delete these from here. And you can also add new holidays. Just click on Create Holiday, enter the details, and hit Create to add a new holiday. Next, we have leave types. This is where you can create leave types. Right now, there are 3 different types of leave, and you can see the maximum number of days allowed for each of these. You can deactivate, edit, or delete these from here, and you can also create new leave types. Just click on this, fill in the details, and hit Create. Next, we have leave policies. You can see there are 3 different leave policies. Here we can check the different conditions, like whether negative balance is allowed, if carry forward is allowed, the expiry rule, notice period, and the reason. You can edit or delete these from here. If you want to create a new leave policy, just click on this, fill in all the details, and hit Publish. Once everything's set up, you'll be able to manage your leaves in Leave Hub. Let's go back to Home. Then click on Leave Hub, and here you can view and manage your leave applications, track their status, and access your leave history. That's how you can configure time off for your organization.